It's quite unfortunate. I think they took it out of
I say it's very unfortunate. Jokaniria kwa meario and at that level.
Na ne meario ya ne meario menugu.
Menugu na ya you know.
Itari ya gikiro kiu.
Pedestrian talk. Yes. No ko utikuongiri. Ukojera mwesimu akuria kwa itojuja enariendekithia.
Mubuge wanyu wa Juja gwitwo Koibori ni. Ena riendekithia.
Niwe Jawaji.
Koibori.
Yes.
Mwecimu Koibori ena riendekithia. Ni arauga bunge ri. Masetero maheo gota mathaa meri. Igatengemanio gikuyu. Mundu uraremetwo ni kuruta point na githungu kana githweri. Akaigirira na lugha ya mama.
Ya gikuyu. Bunge ya Nyandarua kana ya bururi.
National Assembly to ni kuwa gikoragwo.
Gikuyu kana riu thiomi cia mama.
Okay, we akiuga araugire gikuyu.
Nyarauga he kiundu kia kumuma.
Gwijire he mijadara tura nayo ngoro.
Ayo lere maybe as a point. Reti atu ingi moyo kurakara na githungu.
Asa.
Don't wakinyia you. Yore moko nge you. You
don't know me.
You don't eat me head.
Oh, da joy.
Now you get the kirio ni gyoke na muzie. You can invoke your ancestors. Gomisi ya kwanyu sigi arahuka.
Koibori ni arenda matengagirwo mathaa meri. Magatengemania riu dereti na ruthiomi rwa kuria mundu aumite.
Ndukana thake na githungu tondu nakuga atiriri. Mbere ni ngatho muno ni undu wa mweke uyu.
Mbele mno.
Mbele saindi. Thank.
Dikiwe kana ni araririe na guku njai. Dikiwe kana ni agwikinyirirwo ni gutwara uhoro ucio gikaro kia bunge.
Yes.
Formally.
Mena ciani no makini muno ni uhoro ucio. Isi ni no akene.
No akene muno.
Reke njuge tondu ni twauga twarie nie. Ndikuete mwana. Na ndiakegwo machoro. Speaker mundu ucio mwire. Ere hatuna ni hari aja. Ocio kethe na mucie he mathuguto rutaga wega
na point yaku karingithia wega utagutinda ugietherera ciugo
tariu ndutagigota gweta mundu thegere na githungu kamwira we ciane ndu mudi ya kurakara ni hoire you sikwiro
ngemuona sole
Honorable Koimbori, what is your point of order? You are allowed to speak in your native language. We have our interpreters. Please, honorable members, have your headsets for interpretation. Wana speaker. Wana tuteko. Wana tuteko kia kundu kuriku.
Kundu guku.
Na ndrenda mundu ucio anyiti undu kuondo. Ngoma icio umie nacio gwake mucii.
Koibori, can you be slow for the sake of...
Koibori, the interpreters are unable to actually translate that because when they say the spirits they came with, we don't understand the context. Nirauga mbere no anyonire utuku. What were you doing at night? Honorable Koimbori. Honorable Siani, what is your point of order? Riu ni ndi wahe uria ngwota gutaririo ria kwagiriire maugire atauga andu matuike computer illiterate na ndaugite andu mathomithio ugi wa karabiuta na kwira waingithua andongoria itikinyagira ki. So what is the context of grass according to the interpreter?
No ndireciria kuria mbunge mangiarahuka sana tutaigua makiaria kuria
wega muno
ni undu wa mihinga
mangiarahuka muno Honorable Kawanjiko. Thank you, my guy. Yes,
people of banana.
What is your point of order, Honorable Wamatinga? Thank you, Mutafania. You see, kwetambũrũkia na gĩthũngũ ti kũhũthũ ĩtita kuga o toguo mwakĩigua rĩu na gĩthũngũ kuga atĩa as has been saying
I lies to support.
Yes, Honorable Gakuya. Ndirenda speaker ngirĩrio mũndũ ũyũ
nero nie ndiumĩte waru-inĩ ta kũumĩte
hana
niĩ thurĩtwo Nairobi
nĩ ithuĩ tũhandaga irio mũgũnda kũrĩa nyumĩte na tũtirutaga thamaki rũĩ na ndienda ũhoro wa mũndũ ũretwo Babu na nĩ mũnini. Babu nĩ guka
babu cia andũ.
Koguo speaker niĩ mũndũ ũcio no ndĩmũringe ũru mũno kamarĩa igana tuonete andũ aingĩ nginya mwenje twarĩ o gũkũ
twĩ makanjũra.
I think from now on forth we move with the national language because we are entering into not a very good terms. The rocatory remarks
and the parliamentary.
That is on the parliamentary. Honorable member for Matu, what is your point of order?
Ngota be speaker ba, speaker le ngale gwesu.
And wa sendre me kalata and me na akili, lakini. Aeta gwĩte oro cia kana hoko iburi ararutire oro
nakagĩũkua na ũritũ
ina ukania we ũndũ ũcio wete ba na ukania na matemania tugo tũrĩa matemanagia twacio ũcio wa ndirangu
order.
No, you are not allowed to call anyone any part of the anatomy. Call it speaker. Na wasole. No gango rabie. Zalua isisi hapa.
Na serikali amburondi best.
Andu amburondi best me anda kwetete maundu matuma nubyu. Changa ibe to dietegela. Dietele kanye. Negwasia mananja nenye mwasia jo. Dietelega.
Eo ti badi ya rwimbo.
Wa kodwo koka Mr. Speaker wa tomo kathi jao mwede vate ati zita standing order za jao modavyo su ndengu mukona Speaker joigwa ni kugunari. Wera ndikuite mwana.
Na ndigetie moko mihuko.
Na ndiathie roeke.
Maithinga.
Can you please elaborate by what you are saying you went to the river? And what was the core business and the relativity of you going to the river to this debate? No, Speaker, that was just a threat from where I come from. From where I sit. And I think he has got the message.
Not everybody is from where you come from.
Let us please desist from, very localized statements. Let us speak generalities that can relate across and cut across to all the members represented in this house. Now, via military, I see you. What is your point of order, Mumias? What is your point of order?
Salasia.
Mr. Speaker, what matama, no manena ko yingwa. Abana beje se na kuvula musala. Kivole na kugeta wa musala.
Ngomodo nyeta.
Baji pepa balanga balanga nuza ko musala. Musala bachina, abantu bayingwa, abantu batamanu.
Ugegana munara wa Babeli.
Ai ves. Mamba Fafi. Aye. Maharda firgala berkhatal hay hargada. Hargatu firga di lebar satu hadu berjala. Ha firga ila hab tarba raba beti asawa. Wait a minute while our translator contacts the thesaurus. Can you repeat your message? Awasi sema yo tena imeenda. Kuna kitu tunatoka kwa roho bana akili.
Ayahanza ndio magekona ihinda iritu.
Haver gatal baba Speaker. Haye baratu baakhir batatubaj hala hal fitakana gogoyo. Bertai bah basen ka basik bah maya firfiri. Yes, what are you saying about Bilibili? Translator, are you from that area?
Eva, queda la foto.
Jumatatu ginya gatanu.